Hello Brandon, welcome back to my channel. So I get another new EDC vlogs today. So okay, and we've got some new EDC vlogs, okay, and then it's gonna be, I think you know already that the thumbnail of the video and also the title, right? So yes, change of plan. Okay, so this is not gonna be my what is this EDC backpack for work. So I'm gonna have to use this for travel, right? So this weekend we're gonna go to Denver, Colorado. So it's my niece baby shower. So they invited us to go there. So whole family. So yes, and then yeah, I'm gonna have to use this for my travel. So yes, okay, and then it's because I'm gonna have to use my other backpack for my everyday carry for work, right? So yeah, so I'm gonna have to make a video again for I'm gonna make another video again. Okay, so it's because change of backpacks because yeah, I think this is not meant for work. Okay, so yeah, so I think this is gonna be a good travel backpack for me to go, right? So anywhere, so if ever I'm gonna go to San Antonio, Texas to watch the game, San Antonio Spurs, yes, yes, this is the one gonna be using up. So if ever we're gonna go to California for Disneyland, yeah, like that was San Diego for the Comic Con, right? So yeah, this is one for my this is gonna be my travel bag. Okay, so I'm gonna have to bring some of the items. So okay, so what are the items that I have? So what are the items that I have to bring? Okay, okay. First is I'm gonna have to bring my Instax Mini SE. So since we since, so since it's gonna be a full pack picture taking, so I'm gonna have to bring this one for the memories, right? So yeah, it is so good and also perfect for family picture also, right? For this one, so it's gonna be releasing the film right here after taking the picture. I think my niece gonna love it. I think my niece gonna love it if we gonna get together picture for this, okay? And so to her husband also. Yes, and also we guys have another yeah, I'm gonna have to bring my BBTAR camcorder. Yes, this is the Pop Snap camcorder, and which also I'm gonna have to use this also for filming a vlog on the Colorado Denver, right? So yeah, so gonna have to make a vlog also in the Colorado Denver. So this is my travel video this is my travel vlog, right? So since I am using a phone for my vlog here, doing a vlog here in the house, okay? So anything unboxing and reviewing stuff, okay? So this is gonna be my travel vlog. So one thing is because I really like this is because of the 1080 pixels of camera resolution, and it's also a really nice camera. So yeah, better than the previous one, but I still using that one, right? So it's because this one is better than, okay, so this is what is better for me to use as a travel vlogging camcorder. So okay, and also got another camera again. So we've got I've got my Kodak EasyShare Z612, and also this is gonna have to be used for I'm gonna have to use this for some great views right there in Denver, Colorado. So gonna have to check pictures, gonna have to take pictures of some of the wonderful natures right there, right? So yes, because I also love nature, and also I am also getting into photography. So since I don't know how to edit pictures, so all of the pictures is also raw and unedited. So next is also I get another Vivitar VEC S124. Yes, and it's also a really nice camera, also a really nice digital camera for you to bring it up. So this is a really good, and then yeah, it's still on charge. Okay, so yeah, so and it's also I really like the quality of the camera on this one. Okay, so perfect for perfect for picture taking, and then also yeah, gonna be a good one also, right? So yeah, and that's also yeah, a perfect yeah, re- perfect camera. So there's no, this not this one here is just only this a design, but unfortunately still good up, still a good, still good digital camera, right? So Vivitar. So yes, I think Vivitar camera has some good, Vivitar has some good products, right? For example, these cameras and camcorders, yeah, they're really pretty good, right? So they're really pretty good. So then it's also, I'm gonna have to bring some first aid. So just in case, first aid. Okay, so this weekend, so I think 1 day or 2 day only, right? So this one right here is a really good. So you have to bring that one also, right? And also I've got a bag right here, foldable bag. So if ever we're gonna go to the Asian market, so gonna be using this one also, right? It's perfect for this one. Okay, and also I've got my charger. Okay, it's still yeah, it's at 20,000 milliamp hours, right? So yeah, that's so big. So it's still, you still get the juice. Okay, still get the juice right over here. So yeah, and also next is also gonna have to bring for, I'm gonna have to bring this one, my magnetic power bank for my S23 FE. So this is I have gonna have to bring because this is a really good one, and also a fast charging. Okay, this is a fast charging, so you can bring it anywhere, just like where's my phone? Oh, okay, okay, uh, my phone is the is in my laptop. Okay, so yeah, so you have to bring it anywhere, and you just have to, like that, hold it, and then yeah, you're good to go. Okay, so and it's also because got some over here, so then I have to bring some hand sanitizer. We got some everyday tissue, okay, Kleenex, and also got to bring some lotion, right? So hand lotion for me to bring it up. Okay, so and also I got my chargers. Okay, my charger over here, and also I got my right, this over one, my skull candy dime. Okay, and also I'm gonna have to bring my headphones, right? So okay, so this one, gonna have to bring my headphones. Okay, so for a good yeah, really love some listening here over also, and also got some, gonna have to bring my Kindle. Okay, I'm gonna have to bring. Okay. I always accidentally push this one, so I thought it's gonna be the wake button, but the wake button is right here at the bottom, right? So okay, yeah, there it goes. Yeah, I'm gonna have to bring my Amazon Kindle, and also I got bring some books right over here to read it up. Okay, and also I'm gonna have to bring some MP3 players, right? So I'm gonna use my Any Oasis G3. Okay, and also gonna have to bring my Any Oasis Y1 also. And then also I'm gonna have to also bring my Mission H1 Pro, right? Okay, 3 MP3 players to bring. So this because I always love listening music while on the go, right? So okay, what's next? So I think I'm gonna have to bring some because I think I'm gonna have to bring my Nintendo Switch too. Okay, and then also I'm gonna have to bring my laptop, right? So since gonna be yeah, okay, so it's gonna be a lot of stuff to bring. Okay, so for my it's because got some lots of stuff to do. Okay, so okay, I'm gonna have to gonna have to put this one onto my backpack. So I think I'm gonna have to put it on some of the items. So since we're gonna be going on yeah, on Saturday. So yeah, I don't have a compartment for some of the items for my some of the items. So gonna have to just gonna have to get things ready first. Okay, I'm gonna have to get things ready. So for the power bank. Okay, and got some right over here for the and then This one also right over here. You're gonna have to put that one. Also right over here also. And then I'm gonna have to charge this one. So I'm still gonna use this one. Okay, so right over here is this also that one. And then for this, for my medicine, oh, I forgot this one. So I still have to bring some ibuprofen and a Tylenol, right? So it's because, you know, we cannot tell that. So, and also my main pill box, okay, my main pill box right over here. So I'm gonna have to put this on, right? So this one and the front pocket, okay. And also right here is also gonna have to put this one into this, you know. And also the charger, okay, my chargers. So is there's still more room for it, you know, but you know, it's so hard to organize this one, okay. It's because there's no gonna have to put this something right over here for this one, okay. I'm gonna have to put that one, okay, and then this one I'm gonna have to put this on, and then this one right over here, and then also, but you know, I'm gonna have to put this one right over here also, okay. And then there you go, there you have it. So there's still, but you know, there's still a lot more, you know, right? So stuff to get then. And then for my MP3, I'm gonna have to put this on into my in my side pocket of my jeans, right? So this one right over here, okay. Why 3? Okay, but you know, I really love listening to music, and also got some, you know, and also the watch that I am gonna be using is also the Casio, right? So I forgot the unit of this one. Okay, I've got the model. So I just bought this on Walmart, right? So it is also a modern, a retro watch, but it is a modern twist. Okay, so you can connect it into Bluetooth, right? Which you can count steps. So right, count steps for the, you know, right? Okay. You can count steps for it. Okay, so yeah, perfect. And also gotta love this one also. Okay, yeah. So yes, okay, I think that's it for today's video. So, and I hope you like it, and thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will notify of my upcoming future videos. Okay, stay tuned. It's because giving you some of my good stuff here on the channel. So thank you so much for watching, and see you again on the next one.